in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your clipboard data on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says clipboard. And then there should be an item that says clear clipboard data at the top. Select clear, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.